Hi everyone! In this video, we show you how to set live timers and countdowns in Discord. Firstly, open the Discord and from here, go to your Discord server. After that, open your web browser and search for hammertime.cu. By using this third-party application, we can set a date and time and even set live timers and countdowns. Here, you can choose a specific date and time. Choose a time zone in the entire world, and you can also choose the chat syntax. It will also show how it looks when applied to a Discord text. For example, if we choose 19 December 2023 and time 6:15, when we copy the chat syntax, you will get to know how it will appear to other people. It will display the correct time and date with the correct time zone. To use this option, you just need to click on the icon with a person and a clock. So go ahead and copy the link from the Hammer Time website. Then go back to your Discord server, paste it to your text chat of Discord server. Once it is sent, it will show whether the time that we chose on Hammer Time will be before or after the current time on Discord servers. That's how you can set live timers and countdowns on Discord. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.